Hello, I am Maggie Samborski. I'm with Antioch Urban Growers, and I'm out here with Stan and Missouri Organic Recycling as part of the climate-friendly yard makeover Northland edition. And right now we are distributing the plants, getting the plants all out. It's kind of paint by numbers, right? We've got all the numbers laid out, and all the numbers are corresponding to a plant, and the plants just going out by the numbers and being planted. We're using augers to drill the holes, makes it a whole lot easier after all this drought. The ground's like concrete. We're about done. We're actually about done. A couple hundred more plants to go and we're done.
What's the feeling?
Oh gosh, this is going to be beautiful. One. And getting to see all these little itty bitty plants, natives at that little stage, makes it easier to identify when they're growing in your garden and you're weeding in the spring. They're not going to want the things that you actually want to keep. So it's really good to help identify when natives are